Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome to Coconut, where we bring history to life in the most exciting way possible. Today, we're diving deep into the annals of time, exploring the top 10 oldest things in the world. From the mystical monuments of ancient civilizations to the primordial wonders of nature, we're uncovering the secrets of Earth's most enduring relics. So buckle up and get ready for a thrilling journey through time. Ever wondered what it's like to stand next to a tree that's been alive for nearly 5,000 years? Or to walk through a temple that's older than the pyramids? Or to gaze upon the oldest known object on Earth, forged in the fires of our planet's creation? Well, you're in for a treat, because we're about to reveal all of this and more. So, whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just someone who loves a good adventure, this video is for you. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's embark on this epic quest through time together. Number 10. The Great Sphinx of Giza. Alright, adventurers, let's kick off our journey with a true icon of ancient wonder, the Great Sphinx of Giza. Standing proudly on the Giza Plateau, this colossal limestone statue has been guarding the pyramids for over 4,500 years. But what makes the Sphinx so special? Let's dive into its fascinating history and the mysteries that still surround it. Picture this, a mythical creature with the body of a lion and the head of a pharaoh, likely representing Pharaoh Khafre, who ruled during the 4th dynasty of ancient Egypt. The Sphinx is a marvel of ancient engineering, carved from a single piece of limestone rock. It stretches 240 feet long and stands 66 feet tall, making it one of the largest and most recognizable statues in the world. But the Great Sphinx is more than just an architectural wonder. It's shrouded in mystery and legend. Some ancient texts refer to the Sphinx as Shizpank, which means living image. And living image it is. Despite its age, the Sphinx continues to captivate and baffle historians, archaeologists, and tourists alike. Built around 2500 BSC, the Great Sphinx is thought to symbolize strength and wisdom, qualities attributed to the lion and the pharaoh. But here's where things get intriguing. There are countless theories about its purpose. Was it a guardian of the pyramids, a representation of the sun god Ra, or perhaps a celestial marker aligning with the stars? Recent studies and advanced technology have given us new insights, but the Sphinx still holds many of its secrets close. Erosion and weathering have taken their toll over millennia, but the Sphinx remains a symbol of ancient ingenuity and mystery. Today, the Great Sphinx of Giza is a must-see for anyone visiting Egypt. It's not just a monument, it's a journey back in time, a connection to the pharaohs, and a testament to the enduring legacy of ancient Egypt. So next time you find yourself staring at a picture of the Sphinx, remember, you're looking at one of the oldest, most enigmatic wonders of the ancient world. Number 9. The Methuselah Tree. Next on our journey through time, we're venturing into the rugged landscapes of California's White Mountains to meet one of the oldest living beings on Earth, the legendary Methuselah Tree. Prepare to be amazed by this ancient bristlecone pine that has stood the test of time for nearly 5,000 years. Standing at an impressive age of about 4,800 years, the Methuselah Tree is named after the biblical figure known for his longevity. Imagine all the history that has unfolded while this tree has been quietly growing in the mountains. Empires have risen and fallen, civilizations have come and gone, and yet Methuselah stands strong. But what makes Methuselah so special isn't just its age. It's a living testament to resilience and adaptation. The tree's slow growth and dense wood make it incredibly durable, resistant to pests, diseases, and even fire. Scientists study these ancient trees to understand climate patterns and environmental changes over millennia. To protect Methuselah from vandalism and over-tourism, its exact location is kept secret. However, you can still visit the ancient bristlecone pine forest in the Inyo National Forest, where you can see other ancient trees and get a sense of the Methuselah's environment. Walking among these ancient giants is like stepping into a living museum, where each tree is a living, breathing piece of history. The Methuselah Tree, in particular, serves as a humbling reminder of nature's incredible ability to endure and adapt. Number 8. Stonehenge. Next up on our incredible journey through time, we're heading to the rolling plains of Wiltshire, England, where the enigmatic Stonehenge has stood for over 5,000 years. This ancient stone circle is one of the most famous prehistoric monuments in the world, and it's shrouded in mystery and legend. Get ready to uncover the secrets of Stonehenge, Stonehenge is more than just a collection of rocks. It's an ancient engineering marvel, constructed between 3000 and 2000 BC. This site consists of massive sarsen stones and smaller blue stones arranged in a circular layout. Some of these stones weigh up to 25 tons and were transported from quarries over 150 miles away. The sheer effort required to build Stonehenge is mind-boggling. But why did ancient people go to such lengths? That's where the mystery deepens. Archaeologists and historians have proposed numerous theories about its purpose. Was it a ceremonial site, an astronomical observatory, a place of healing, or perhaps a combination of all these? One of the most compelling theories is Stonehenge's alignment with celestial events. During the summer solstice, the sun rises directly above the heel stone, casting a shadow into the heart of the circle. This has led many to believe that Stonehenge was used as a kind of ancient calendar, marking the passage of seasons and the timing of important rituals. Excavations around Stonehenge have uncovered human remains, tools, and other artifacts, suggesting it was a place of great significance. Some remains show signs of illness or injury, leading to the theory that people travel to Stonehenge for its perceived healing properties. Imagine making a pilgrimage to this sacred site, hoping for a cure from its ancient magic. Today, Stonehenge continues to captivate and inspire millions of visitors from around the world. Standing among these ancient stones, you can't help but feel a deep connection to the past and the enduring mystery that surrounds this remarkable place. Stonehenge isn't just a monument, it's a portal to our prehistoric ancestors, a testament to their ingenuity, and a reminder of the mysteries that still lie hidden in our history. It's a place where the past and present blend, inviting us to ponder the lives and beliefs of those who came before us. Number 7. The Cave of Altamira. Our next stop on this journey through time takes us deep into the heart of prehistoric Europe, to the Cave of Altamira in northern Spain. Discovered in the 19th century, this cave is home to some of the most stunning and well-preserved examples of Paleolithic art. Get ready to step back over 35,000 years and explore humanity's earliest artistic expressions. The Cave of Altamira is often called the Sistine Chapel of prehistoric art, and it's easy to see why. The walls and ceilings of the cave are adorned with vivid depictions of animals, including bison, horses, and deer, as well as mysterious symbols and handprints. These artworks were created by our ancient ancestors using natural pigments and primitive tools. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Altamira paintings is their sophistication. The artists used charcoal and ochre to create a palette of reds, blacks, and yellows. They skillfully employed shading and perspective to give the animals a sense of depth and movement, demonstrating a high level of artistic ability and understanding. Imagine the scene. Prehistoric people, huddled by torchlight, painstakingly creating these masterpieces over generations. The cave served not only as a canvas, but also as a cultural hub, a place for rituals and storytelling. The artwork provides a window into the lives, beliefs, and environment of these early humans. Since its discovery in 1868, Altamira has been a focal point for archaeologists and historians. The cave's significance was recognized early on, and in 1985, it was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Research suggests that the paintings date back to various periods of the Upper Paleolithic, spanning thousands of years of human history. To preserve the delicate artwork, the original cave is now closed to the public. However, you can still experience its wonder through the Neo Cave, a meticulously crafted replica located at the nearby Altamira Museum. This allows visitors to appreciate the beauty and significance of the cave without causing damage to the precious paintings. Walking through the Neo Cave, you can almost feel the presence of the ancient artists and the timeless connection they have forged with us through their art. It's a humbling reminder of the creativity and ingenuity that have been a part of the human spirit since the very beginning. Number 6. The Pyramids of Giza. Next on our incredible journey through time, we arrive at one of the most iconic and enduring symbols of human achievement, the Pyramids of Giza. Located on the Giza Plateau just outside Cairo, Egypt, these ancient marvels have stood the test of time for over 4,500 years. Let's delve into the fascinating history and mysteries of these magnificent structures. The Pyramids of Giza are the crowning glory of ancient Egyptian architecture. The largest and most famous of these is the Great Pyramid, built for Pharaoh Khufu around 2580-2560 BC, originally standing at 481 feet tall. It was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. But how were these colossal pyramids built with such precision? The construction of the pyramids is a testament to ancient Egyptian ingenuity and engineering prowess. It's believed that a workforce of thousands of skilled laborers, not slaves as often depicted, used a combination of sledges, ramps, and sheer human effort to transport and assemble millions of limestone blocks, each weighing several tons. What's even more astounding is the precision with which these pyramids were constructed. The Great Pyramid's base is nearly perfectly level, and its sides are aligned almost exactly with the cardinal points of the compass. Inside, a series of passageways and chambers, including the King's Chamber and the Grand Gallery, reflect an advanced understanding of architecture and mathematics. But the Pyramids of Giza are more than just architectural feats. They're steeped in cultural and religious significance. They were built as tombs for pharaohs, believed to be divine rulers, and were designed to ensure their journey to the afterlife. The pyramids were originally encased in smooth, white Tura limestone, which would have made them gleam brilliantly under the Egyptian sun. Surrounding the pyramids are smaller pyramids for queens, mortuary temples, and the iconic Great Sphinx, a colossal limestone statue with the body of a lion and the head of a pharaoh, likely representing Khafre. This complex served as a focal point for religious and ceremonial activities, highlighting the Egyptians' deep spiritual beliefs and reverence for their leaders. Today, the Pyramids of Giza continue to captivate and inspire millions of visitors from around the world. Standing before these ancient wonders, you can't help but feel a profound connection to the past and a sense of awe at what humanity is capable of achieving. Number 5. Göbekli Tepe. Next on our incredible journey through time, we travel to the rolling plains of southeastern Turkey to uncover one of the most astonishing archaeological discoveries of the 20th century, Göbekli Tepe. This ancient site, predating Stonehenge by 6,000 years, is rewriting the history of civilization. Prepare to be amazed by the world's oldest known temple complex. Göbekli Tepe, often referred to as the first temple, dates back to around 9600 BC, making it over 11,000 years old. The site consists of a series of massive stone circles, each adorned with intricately carved pillars depicting animals, abstract symbols, and possibly even early forms of writing. But who built this monumental complex, and why? This incredible feat was accomplished by prehistoric hunter-gatherers, long before the advent of agriculture and settled life. Imagine a time when our ancestors roamed the earth, yet came together to create a sophisticated and monumental site like Göbekli Tepe. The construction involved the coordination of large groups, moving and erecting stones weighing up to 20 tons. The carvings at Göbekli Tepe are a window into the minds of its creators. Depictions of lions, vultures, snakes, and other animals, along with abstract symbols, offer clues about the spiritual and symbolic world of these ancient people. Some archaeologists believe that the site served as a pilgrimage center, a place where groups gathered for ritualistic purposes. Number 4. Trilobite fossils. Our next journey back in time takes us even further, to an era long before the age of the dinosaurs. Dive into the depths of ancient oceans and discover the fascinating world of trilobites. These remarkable creatures roamed the seas over 500 million years ago, and their fossils provide a unique glimpse into the early history of life on Earth. Trilobites are one of the most iconic and well-studied groups of extinct marine arthropods. First appearing in the Cambrian period around 521 million years ago, these creatures thrived in Earth's oceans for over 270 million years before their extinction at the end of the Permian period. Their diverse forms and abundance make them key to understanding ancient marine ecosystems. Trilobites are characterized by their three-lobed body plan, which includes a central axial lobe and two pleural lobes. This body structure, along with their segmented exoskeleton, allowed for great diversity and adaptability. Over 20,000 species of trilobites have been identified, ranging from tiny, millimeter-sized forms to larger species exceeding half a meter in length. The study of trilobite fossils has revolutionized our understanding of early life on Earth. These fossils are found in sedimentary rocks worldwide, often in astonishing detail. Paleontologists ask these well-preserved specimens to study ancient environments, track evolutionary changes, and even understand the movements of continents through plate tectonics. Today, trilobite fossils captivate both scientists and fossil enthusiasts. They are frequently found in regions like Morocco, the United States, and Canada, where visitors can explore fossil beds and even participate in fossil hunts. Holding a trilobite fossil in your hand is like touching a piece of Earth's ancient history, a reminder of the rich and diverse life that once flourished in prehistoric seas. Number 3. The Canadian Shield. Our next stop on this journey through Earth's deep history takes us to the vast and rugged expanse of the Canadian Shield. Stretching across central and eastern Canada, this ancient geological wonder is one of the oldest and most resilient pieces of Earth's crust. Let's uncover the secrets of this primordial land that has stood the test of time for billions of years. The Canadian Shield, also known as the Laurentian Plateau, is a massive area of exposed Precambrian rock that forms the geological core of North America. These rocks date back over 4 billion years, making the Shield one of the oldest geological formations on the planet. It's a place where Earth's earliest history is written in stone. During the last ice age, massive glaciers covered much of the Shield, sculpting its current topography. As the glaciers advanced and retreated, they carved out countless lakes, valleys, and hills, leaving behind a terrain that is both stark and beautiful. The Shield is now dotted with some of the world's most pristine freshwater lakes, including the Great Lakes. Today, the Canadian Shield is a haven of natural beauty and biodiversity. Its vast forests are home to an array of wildlife, including moose, bears, wolves, and countless bird species. The lakes and rivers teem with fish, providing vital habitats for both aquatic and terrestrial life. It's a land where nature reigns supreme. For thousands of years, indigenous peoples have called the Canadian Shield home. They have developed rich cultures and traditions deeply intertwined with the land, relying on its resources for survival and spiritual sustenance. Their knowledge and stewardship of the environment are invaluable in preserving the Shield's natural heritage. Geologists and researchers from around the world are drawn to the Canadian Shield to study its ancient rocks and complex geological history. By examining the minerals and formations, scientists can glean insights into the early conditions of our planet, the processes that shaped its surface, and the origins of Earth's continental crust. For adventurers and nature enthusiasts, the Canadian Shield offers an unparalleled experience. Hiking through its forests, canoeing across its lakes, or simply marveling at its ancient rock formations, visitors can connect with a landscape that has remained largely unchanged for billions of years. Number 2. Stromatolites. Our next journey back in time takes us to the stunning shores of Shark Bay in Australia, where we encounter one of Earth's oldest living organisms, stromatolites. These incredible structures, created by ancient microbial life, offer a glimpse into the dawn of life on our planet. Let's dive into the fascinating world of stromatolites. Stromatolites are layered sedimentary formations created by the growth of cyanobacteria, also known as blue-green algae. These microorganisms have been around for over 3.5 billion years, making stromatolites some of the oldest evidence of life on Earth. They played a crucial role in shaping our planet's atmosphere and paving the way for more complex life forms. The story of stromatolites begins with cyanobacteria. These tiny but mighty organisms perform photosynthesis, using sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and glucose. Over billions of years, their photosynthetic activity released vast amounts of oxygen into Earth's atmosphere, creating the conditions necessary for the evolution of aerobic life. As cyanobacteria grow and photosynthesize, they trap and bind sediment particles, gradually forming layered structures. Over time, these layers build up to create the distinctive, dome-shaped formations we recognize as stromatolites. Each layer represents a snapshot of ancient microbial life, recording environmental conditions from billions of years ago. Stromatolites are a goldmine for scientists studying the early history of life on Earth. By examining these ancient structures, researchers can learn about the environmental conditions of early Earth, the evolution of microbial life, and the processes that led to the oxygenation of our atmosphere. Stromatolites are essentially natural time capsules, preserving evidence of primordial life. Today, living stromatolites can be found in a few locations around the world, such as Shark Bay in Australia, the Bahamas, and a handful of other sites. These rare and precious ecosystems offer a window into the distant past, allowing us to witness the simple yet profound beginnings of life on our planet. And finally, number 1, the Jack Hill's zircon crystals. Our final stop takes us to the ancient, rugged terrain of the Jack Hills in Western Australia, where we uncover some of Earth's most incredible natural treasures, zircon crystals. These tiny crystals are not just beautiful, they hold secrets dating back to the very dawn of our planet. Let's delve into the fascinating world of the Jack Hills zircon crystals. Zircon crystals from the Jack Hills are among the oldest known materials on Earth, with some dating back over 4.4 billion years. These crystals have survived the tumultuous history of our planet, providing a unique and invaluable record of Earth's early crust and the conditions that existed shortly after its formation. To truly appreciate these zircons, we need to journey back to a time when Earth was in its infancy. The planet was formed around 4.5 billion years ago, and within the first 100 million years, the Jack Hills zircons began to crystallize. These ancient crystals offer a glimpse into the Hadean Eon, a period shrouded in mystery and marked by extreme volcanic activity and the formation of the first continental crust. The significance of the Jack Hills zircon crystals lies in the information they carry. Scientists use these tiny time capsules to study the conditions of early Earth by analyzing the isotopic composition and structure of these crystals. Researchers can infer temperatures, geological processes, and even the presence of liquid water at the time they formed. Under the microscope, Jack Hills zircons reveal their complex internal structure, often showing concentric growth rings similar to those of tree rings. These layers represent different periods of crystal growth, each layer preserving a snapshot of the conditions at that time. Such detailed records make zircons invaluable for studying the early Earth's evolution. We've journeyed through the annals of time, uncovering Earth's most ancient and awe-inspiring wonders. From the enigmatic gaze of the Great Sphinx of Giza to the microscopic secrets held within Jack Hills zircon crystals, each of these relics has told us a story of resilience, transformation, and the incredible journey of life and Earth itself. These ancient treasures are not just static remnants of the past, they're living testaments to the extraordinary history of our planet. They remind us of the powerful natural forces, the evolutionary milestones, and the enduring mystery that surrounds the origins of life and civilization. Whether it's the robust rocks of the Canadian Shield or the ancient life forms of Stromatolites, we've seen how these wonders have withstood the test of time. They've witnessed Earth's most dramatic changes and have survived to tell their tales, offering invaluable insights to scientists and sparking wonder in the hearts of all who encounter them. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable adventure through time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Coconut for more incredible explorations and fascinating stories from our past. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive and your spirit adventurous.